Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best electric scooter under $1,000. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, Jayesha. Model number, X5S. The Jayesha X5S electric scooter is a reliable foldable e-scooter with a grand 500-watt brushless DC motor and 36-volt Li-ion battery for steady power output. Each component of this long-going electric scooter is intended to provide a perfect balance between design and portability while maintaining excellent performance standards. It features a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour and range up to 31 miles, able to carry 265 pounds. Featuring an LCD display and using the core cruise control technology in scooter. Front-wheel shock absorbers equipped with 10-inch tires provide maximum rider comfort, even on rough surfaces or speed bumps. The electric scooter can be quickly folded. Number 4. Brand name, Geovac. Model number, X8. The Geovac X8 e-scooter offers a lightweight and easy folding design, making it more convenient to transport the scooter. The first embedded removable battery design and far from the ground, with a waterproof level of IP54, making it smooth in the rainy day. A high-definition LED screen will let you know the information of speed and battery status at any time. 350-watt brushless high-performance motor and triple brake system. The large soft anti-slip pedal and cruise control function allow you to relax even during a long-range commute. Front and rear wheels use 10-inch pneumatic tires can absorb the strong shock and make riding comfortable, even on rough road or bump terrain. Our smart battery management system ensures the battery safety and extends the battery life. Number 3. Brand name, Jayesha I. Model number, X500. 10-inch pneumatic tires, maximum climbing capacity of 40 degrees, equipped with dual disc brake system, dual front and rear shock absorption system to enhance the comfort feeling, can easily cope with various road conditions. With remote control to unlock the scooter remotely. Aluminum body, sturdy and stable. One-touch speed limit 15 miles per hour button, cruise function, equipped with LCD meter to view speed, turn signal function, maximum load capacity 330 pounds, guarantee riding safety. Cool adult electric scooter with top speed of 40 miles per hour, super long range of 34 miles, weight 55 pounds, front dual headlights, adjustable lights, create riding atmosphere sense. Vector controller technology imported from China, dual 48-volt 18-ampere high current output plus 1600-watt high power, high-speed motor, more power and more precise control. Enhanced heat dissipation design, controller. Safe and comfortable front and rear disc brakes plus EABS compared with disc brake. The hydraulic brake is more comfortable and effortless and the braking distance is shorter. Cool and joyful ambient light. The colorful chassis lights are more vibrant and eye-catching when gliding, making sure you are the center of attention. Comes with a high-powered charger, takes only 6 to 8 hours to fill, and the battery has a long service life. One-step folding and easy to storage, portable folding design for space saving and hand carry. It has cool lights, you can be very bright when driving at night. It is a novel and stylish electric scooter with a light weight of 55 pounds, which can be folded up quickly for multi-scene use. Number 2. Brand name, Geovac. Model number, A3. The A3 electric scooter is the perfect electric scooter for adults looking for long-range riding. Electric scooter A3 is powered by 350-watt motor and has distance range of 30 to 40 kilometers on one full charge. This electric scooter reaches maximum speed 30 kilometers per hour. A3 electric scooter has a very modern cool design, is extra light, economic and fast. Power 350 watts, standard load capacity 120 kilograms material. A3 electric scooter come with dual brakes, an electric brake in front paired with a foot brake at the rear. This is so you can come to a stop gradually and reliably whenever you want. It also has a front suspension for a smoother riding experience. Number 1. Brand name, Jayesha I. Model number, X60. 11-inch oversized vacuum off-road tires with a maximum climbing capacity of 50 degrees, equipped with a double-disc brake system and a powerful double shock absorption system to enhance comfort, which can easily cope with various complex road conditions and shuttle freely. With remote control to remotely unlock the scooter and unlock the wheels. Aluminum alloy full body, strong and stable. Equipped with an upgraded LCD screen to view the driving conditions and guarantee the safety of riding in real time. Our electric scooter is equipped with 5,600 watt dual motor module, 60 volt and 26 ampere hour large battery, comes with a high power charger, only 6 to 8 hours to be full, long battery life.